Now, the next topic is development of male gametophyte. Development of male gametophyte, that is the pollen grain. Male gametophyte in plants is pollen grain. The process can be divided into two: pre-pollination development and the post-pollination development. Let us see in the pre-pollination development. Pre-pollination development में now the newly formed microspore cell, it is rich in protoplasm and it has got a central nucleus. This is a microspore with a central nucleus and many small vacuoles can be seen, and this is the cell wall around the microspore. ये जो अभी this microspore, it will develop into a pollen grain. The cell has got a central nucleus, many small vacuoles, it is rich in protoplasm and it has got a cell wall. The nucleus of the microspore, it is displaced to periphery. Periphery यानी center से कहाँ पे आ गया? At the corner, and large central vacuoles are formed. ये जो कई सारी small vacuoles थी, they join to form large vacuoles, and the wall of cell wall of the microspore, it continues to differentiate. Now the cell wall, it continues to differentiate. How we can show the differentiation? The cell wall continues to differentiate, nucleus is shifted to the periphery, the vacuoles, they join to form a large central vacuole. ठीक है, these are the vacuoles. Now the nucleus, it divides into, this nucleus, it divides into two daughter nuclei. The nucleus of the microspore, it divides into two daughter nuclei and a oblique wall is formed between the two nucleus. ये nucleus के बीच में एक oblique wall is formed. This divides the microspore into two unequal cells. अब ये जो single cell था, ये दो cells हो गए. One is larger, one is smaller. और ये जो vacuole थी, these vacuoles, they continue to grow bigger into a central vacuole. The smaller cell is called the generative cell and the larger cell is called vegetative cell. The smaller cell, it lies next to the boundary, next to the periphery, and a callose layer gets deposited around this cell. यानी इसके अंदर ही, इस जो बीच में ये आया था, डेवलप हुई थी एक सेल वॉल, इसके अंदर ही ये क्या बन जाएगी? एक कैलोस लेयर. एंड दिस कैलोस लेयर, ये था हमारे पास, दिस वाज द सेल वॉल between the generative cell and the germinative cell. ये जो कैलोस लेयर थी हमारे पास, नाउ दिस कैलोस लेयर इट कंप्लीट्स. अब क्या हुआ? एक सेल के अंदर ही दो सेल बन गए. द लार्जर वन इज द वेजिटेटिव सेल और ये जो था छोटा स्मॉलर, इट इज द जेनरेटिव सेल एंड दिस इज द callose layer. Now the cell loses contact with the cell wall. This cell, it loses its contact with the cell wall. It lies free in the cytoplasm, and later on this callose layer, it dissolves and it becomes ellipsoidal in shape. The larger cell, the vegetative cell, it grows larger. It has a lobed nuclei and it has a vacuolated cytoplasm, and the cytoplasm here, it is rich in proteins, lipids, starch and cell organelles. तो हमने क्या देखा कि जब माइक्रोस्पोर जर्मिनेट होता है पॉलन ग्रेन में, मैच्योर होता है, पहले क्या था, इट वॉज अ माइक्रोस्पोर सेल with a central nucleus and a cell wall. Now the nucleus shifts to periphery and the smaller vacuoles, they join to form bigger central vacuoles, or then the nucleus divides into two daughter nuclei. The one nuclei towards the periphery, उन दोनों न्यूक्लियस के बीच में क्या बन जाती है, एक ओब्लीक वॉल. This is the oblique wall, and this wall now divides the microspore into two cells of unequal size. The larger is vegetative cell, smaller is generative cell. और इस generative cell में अंदर क्या बन जाती है, callose layer, which when formed, तो ये क्या करती है, इस generative cell को separate कर देती है सेल वॉल से, और एक माइक्रोस्पोर में अब दो सेल्स हो गए, द वेजिटेटिव सेल एंड द जेनरेटिव सेल. दिस इज द माइक्रोस्पोर. लेट अस सी. ये था हमारे पास किसका न्यूक्लियस, एंड दिस इज द न्यूक्लियस. और हमने कहा था सेल वॉल इट बिगिंस टू डिफरेंशिएट. ये थी सेल वॉल. Now the differentiation will be shown. This is how now it continues to differentiate further. डिफरेंशिएशन हो गया, एंड अल्टीमेटली इट विल, आफ्टर डिफरेंशिएशन इट विल बी converted into the outer layer, that is exine. The differentiation results in the formation of exine and intine. This is exine. Now this was the pre-pollination development. In post-pollination development, इस स्टेज में जो है pollen grain it falls on the कार्पल, और कार्पल के स्टिग्मा पे गिरेगा, and this exine will absorb some secretion secreted by the stigma, and this results in the swelling up of pollen grain. Pollen grain swell up हो जाएंगे, and it result in the formation of a pollen tube. और pollen tube जब बनेगी तो ये जो न्यूक्लियस है, यहाँ पे हमारे पास ये दो न्यूक्लियाई आएंगे, and this is how we can show the exine. ये कहाँ से आई है, यहाँ पे हमने pores नहीं दिखाए, germ pores which are actually present, and this is through one of the germ pore that the pollen tube is formed. This is all about microsporogenesis and the development of male gametophyte. Now the after the formation of pollen tube, जो हमारे पास ये था generative cell का nucleus, it will become the tube nucleus, and the vegetative cell का nucleus, it will divide to form two male nuclei which will undergo double fertilization. एक fuse करेगा egg cell of ovule and second with the polar nucleus of ovule. This is the summary of development of male gametophyte or pollen germination.